Hey guys, welcome to the channel, Cooking with Gadgets. Basically, how gadgets can make our life easier in the kitchen. Thus, cooking with gadgets in the kitchen. I want to go back to our root. We got all of these gadgets. There's no substitute for following tradition. And so I want to make a traditional meal, something that I came up with using things I learned over the years from various loved ones. And I want to do it outside. All right, so now we got our fire starting right there. We want to go ahead and we want to season the fish, and I wanted to go ahead and get it out the heat, even though we're icing everything down. Secret ingredient, but we're gonna go ahead, we're gonna let it marinate in the deep freezer out there in the shed just for a couple of moments, you know, to keep it chill. So let's go ahead, go right here. So go ahead, no binder, no mustard, no nothing, just gonna come with some Tony. Just go over it. Come with just a little Old Bay. Go over it. Your hands, just work it in there. Put on some ice. This stuff is not hard, guys. Not hard at all. Alright, got that going, so let's go ahead and put this up, let it marinate while our fire gets started. So let's go ahead and make the wash or the bath. I'm gonna use 2 eggs. Again, you want to use free range eggs or whatever, doesn't matter to me. I'm just showing you guys how simple this method is and the results anyone can accomplish. So here's the special ingredient, you probably already seen it. Sour cream. I know what you're saying, man, sour cream. Yes, sour cream. You want to take 2 tablespoons or how much you want and put it in there. It doesn't matter, guys. All right, one more thing I gotta add, and I just want to put just a little mustard. The sour cream and the egg is already a binding agent, but I just want to add some mustard to it. Just want to just mix that in, fluff it up. It's going to be the bath. Put our fish up in here. All right. And then we're going to use some Uncle P's fish fry. I never used this before, guys. Look, I have my own fish fry that I like to use. We're going to go ahead. We're going to support Master P, man. Support the brother. Again, I'm using a foreign ingredient because I just have that much confidence in this simple recipe. Go ahead, get that up enough. Let me know that grease ready, but fry them on a little touch to throw that little caramel up in there. You see that dissipate? You know you're ready to fry. We have our fish here. We're just gonna mix it up, and after we got it nice and coated, we'll go ahead and we're gonna chill it again into our fire, right? Get ready. Now with the fire, guys, listen. I use a big old log, but you just need some heat. You just need some heat, all right? All right, guys, so we want to go ahead, take our catfish and mix it around in that bath. Go ahead and just fry it right there in that fish fry. Get it all in the inside. Make sure you batter it up really, really well. Then we'll go with it, we're gonna drop it into that fire. The fire should be nice and hot. Hot here. Look at that right there. Look at that right there, man. Look at that right there, man. Here's another little secret. So as you're adjusting your temperature, if you have to lower it, just remove some wood chippings or logs. I'm gonna lower it. And if you notice, if you drop something in there and it's not as hot, you can use like a little fan or something. I put like a little blower over there just to heat it up quick, and then always get it back hot quick, guys. This is tip. I mean, I do this. Like I said, easy peasy. Now, this is my first time using this fish fry, but I'm so confident you can use my method with anything. And look how fluffy that is. Look, wow. Man, I know what y'all saying. That boy in Louisiana is in August, outside frying fish outside. Heat index about 100. Look at my face. It's worth it, man. That crust on there, it's worth it, man.